Property tax is a civic duty that ensures the development and maintenance of vital public infrastructure like roads, drainage systems, and parks. For property owners in Bangalore, this responsibility falls under the jurisdiction of the Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike BBMP. While the process has been streamlined with online tools and clear guidelines, navigating property tax laws, deadlines, and payment methods can still feel daunting for many. Bangalore's thriving real estate sector means staying on top of your property tax obligations is more crucial than ever. Whether you're a homeowner or a property manager, understanding the intricacies of property tax payment is key to avoiding penalties and ensuring compliance. In this guide, we'll break down the entire process of paying property tax in Bangalore into manageable steps. 1. Understanding the scope of property tax. Property tax is a revenue source for local municipal bodies, enabling them to fund essential services. In Bangalore, these taxes directly support urban development and maintenance of residential and commercial areas. The amount of tax you owe depends on various factors, including the type of property, residential, commercial, or industrial, its location, and its size. Misjudging these factors can lead to underpayment or penalties. Ensuring a clear understanding of these aspects is the first step toward accurate compliance. 2. The Unit Area Value (UAV) system. Bangalore uses the Unit Area Value (UAV) system to calculate property taxes. This system divides a city into zones based on market values, assigning each zone a per square foot tax rate. Properties in high-value zones are taxed at higher rates. To determine your tax liability, identify your property zone and calculate the tax based on its built-up area. The BBMP offers online tools to assist with these calculations, making the process more transparent. If your property's details are complex, seeking professional advice can simplify the process. 3. Calculating your tax liability. Tax liability in Bangalore is computed using a standard formula, multiplying the built-up area of your property by the applicable UAV rate, then applying depreciation and exemptions. Factors like the age of the property, its usage, rented or owner-occupied, and its occupancy type also affect the tax amount. For rented properties, rental income must be disclosed to ensure accurate assessment. Staying informed about these distinctions can prevent overpayment and disputes. For keeping track of tax deadlines, BBMP announces property tax payment deadlines annually, typically in the first quarter of the financial year. Paying on time is essential to avoid penalties and interest charges. Early payments often come with rebates, usually around 5% of the total amount. To stay updated, regularly visit the BBMP website or subscribe to notifications regarding due dates. 5. Simplified online payment options. BBMP's online portal offers a convenient and secure way to pay property taxes. Using your property identification number, PID, you can log in, calculate your tax liability, and make payments through various digital methods, including UPI, net banking, or debit and credit cards. Once the payment is complete, download and save the receipt. This document serves as proof of payment and can be useful for future reference or resolving disputes. 6. Offline payment alternatives. For those who prefer traditional methods, BBMP provides offline payment facilities. You can visit BBMP help centers or authorized banks to submit your tax forms and payments. When making offline payments, ensure that the receipts are issued on the spot. This helps in maintaining accurate records and prevents potential disputes in the future. 7. Resolving discrepancies and appeals. Errors in tax assessments or payments are not uncommon. The BBMP has a grievance redressal mechanism to resolve such issues efficiently. If you believe your property has been wrongly assessed, you can file an appeal with the necessary documents, including sale deeds and past tax receipts. Resolving discrepancies promptly can save you from long-term complications. 8. Understanding penalties for non-compliance. Failure to pay property taxes on time can result in severe consequences, including legal notices, penalties, and even property confiscation in extreme cases. BBMP calculates penalties based on the duration and amount of unpaid taxes. Setting reminders for payment deadlines and maintaining clear transaction records are essential practices to avoid such situations. 9 early payments and rebates. BBMP rewards proactive taxpayers with rebates on early payments. These rebates, typically around 5%, are available during specific periods at the start of the financial year. Paying early not only saves money, but also demonstrates your compliance with civic responsibilities, contributing positively to your tax history. 10 Why professionals can make a difference. For property owners managing multiple properties or unfamiliar with the tax process, hiring property management experts like SANGAU can simplify the entire experience. From calculating liabilities to filing payments and addressing disputes, professionals ensure that all aspects of your tax obligations are handled efficiently and accurately. This not only saves time, but also minimizes the risk of errors. Bonus tip: how SANGAU can help you. Navigating Bangalore's property tax system can be a complex task. This is where SANGAU's expertise comes into play. As a leading property management company, SANGAU offers end-to-end support in tax calculations, payments, and compliance. SANGAU keeps you updated on deadlines, ensures accurate assessments, and handles disputes with ease. Their professional approach transforms property tax management into a seamless and stress-free process. With SANGAU by your side, you can focus on your priorities while leaving the complexities to the experts. Thank you for exploring this guide on property tax payments in Bangalore. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on property management and other essential topics. Turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Together, let's make property ownership hassle-free and efficient.